Ever feel like you have a great story to tell, but struggle to make it truly captivating? Today, we're diving into how you can effortlessly retell true stories using Retell AI, making your narratives both compelling and efficient. Step 1. To begin your incredible storytelling journey, access the tool and either import your own story or, to showcase the tool's capabilities, create a new one. Step 2. Now comes the good part. Input your true story into the text box, whether it is a short narrative or a longer, more detailed account you want to retell. The platform is ready. Step 3. Time to use the real power of Retell AI. Explore the AI's powerful tools. Summarize to condense your story, rewrite to rephrase and enhance, or character enhancement to bring key figures to life. Experiment to discover what works best for the story. Step 4. Watch as Retell AI works its magic, transforming your original story into a more engaging and polished version of it. Notice how the AI helps enrich the descriptions of the characters, setting the scene. Finally, compare the original and edited version of your story, refining it until you're really proud of the outcome. With Retell AI, you can effortlessly recreate narratives, telling stories in a more efficient and more immersive way. Go ahead and get started.